Good morning, children. Today we are going to read the new lesson Human Body. Introduction. Human body is a wonderful machine. It can see, hear, smell, feel, taste, move, grow, breathe, and reproduce. The smallest unit of which our body is made is called a cell. Many cells join together to form a tissue. A group of tissues forms an organ. Different organs perform different functions. A few organs together carry out one major function for the body by forming an organ system. Several organ systems form an organism. Sense organs. Some special organs which help us to sense the changes in our environment. The different sense organs are eyes, tongue, ears, nose, and skin. Eyes are natural cameras. They are very sensitive and delicate, help us to see and identify things around us. Tongue help us to taste different flavors and to speak. Ears help us to hear low sounds of whisper to loud noises. Nose help us to smell and breathe. Skin help us to feel things. Now we are going to start with the organ system. First organ system is digestive system. As you can see in the diagram, our digestion starts from the mouth and it goes to the food pipe, then to stomach, then small intestine, then large intestine, and then rectum. We take food from our mouth and chew it with the help of teeth. The chewed food mixes with saliva in mouth and becomes soft. It then reaches the stomach where it gets mixed with digestive juices and changes into a soluble form. This soluble form goes into small intestine where it is absorbed by the blood. The undigested food goes to large intestine from where it is passed out of the body as waste through anus. Second system is circulatory system. The heart, the blood, and the blood vessels together form circulatory system. The heart pumps the blood to different parts of the body through blood vessels. The blood supplies oxygen and food to the cells of the body. Respiratory system. Now you can see in the diagram nasal cavity, lungs, then windpipe and diaphragm. Respiratory system consists of nose, windpipe and lungs. We breathe through our nose. From the nose, the air goes to the lungs through windpipe. In the lungs, the blood takes oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. The hair in the nose trap the dust and germs. Skeletal system. The framework of bones is known as the skeleton. It consists of all the bones, joints, etc. Our body is made up of 206 bones. The framework of bones that gives shape to the body is skeleton. The skeleton provides shape and support to our body. It protects the delicate organs like the heart, brain, lungs, and other inner parts from getting injured. The skull protects the brain, the backbone protects the spinal cord and help us to stand straight. Ribs protect lungs and heart. Muscular system. Muscles are attached to bones and together help us to walk, smile, kick, move or lift our body parts. There are approximately 639 skeletal muscles in the human body. Nervous system. The brain, The spinal cord and the nerves forms the nervous system. What do you do when you touch a hot object? Why do you blink your eyes in bright sunlight? It happens because of your nervous system. The brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves form the nervous system. Our brain receives message from the sense organs and send orders for action through nerves. This system controls all our actions like seeing, hearing, speaking, learning, and so on. The bundle of nerves that run from brain to the back is called spinal cord. The brain is like a computer that controls all body functions. Excretory system. Kidneys forms the excretory system. The removal of waste from a body is done by excretory system. Kidneys are the main organs of the excretory system. Kidneys remove waste materials in the form of urine. The skin also acts as an excretory organ. Skin removes excess water and salt in the form of sweat. Reproductive system. This system helps human beings to give birth to babies. Because of this system, life continues from one generation to the next. Thank you, children.